this shit. What the fuck is that? Why is the track off from the band? This is the bullshit we deal with when we just doing a random rock and roll tour, all right? With no rehearsals and shit. I apologize for everybody at home streaming live on Love Life and Jay-Z's site, Life and Times. We can start this one again from the top.